I'm Brandon Lang, and this is your Thursday edition of My Two Cents. And we'll get to your free pick winner in just a moment between East Carolina hosting Central Florida. We'll have it for you in just a second. So we put on the table tonight a 50-dimer, number 2 in a row, off the 50-dime Monday night winner, Dolphins and under, and a nice teaser winner. That was my third straight 50-dime teaser winner on Monday night. Fourth straight Monday night winner overall. Now 10-3 on Monday nights. Now we turn back to the NFL tonight with a second straight 50-dime teaser. And let me tell you something. I am locked and loaded on Saturday, locked and loaded on Sunday. Pretty confident of what I got waiting for you there. Let's win Thursday, let's win Friday, and the weekend will take care of itself. Looking to make it a 5 straight winning Saturdays, a big-time release in the NFL. First things first, a second straight 50-dime winner tonight off the Monday night winner. Let's build that bankroll into the weekend. All right, my 2 cents. Let's go to St. Louis, because I'm going to tell you something right now. Not only is that football team playing with heart, not only is that football team playing with character, this football team doesn't quit. When I throw out the word team, this is a St. Louis Rams ball club that is just that, a team. And it starts with their head coach, Jeff Fisher. You don't think for 1 second Jeff Fisher knew what those players were going to do coming out of the tunnel with their hands up. They probably went to Jeff Fisher and said, Coach, this is what we're thinking about doing. And Jeff Fisher looked at them and said, you know what, guys? You do what you feel, because I'll let my players be what my players are. And Jeff Fisher signed off on those players walking out. Jeff Fisher basically looked his players in the eyes and said, don't worry about it. I'll deal with the cleanup. I'll deal with the issues afterwards. If this is an important issue for you, based on what happened in Ferguson, based on what happened in that situation, Jeff Fisher said, go out and do it from your heart and do what you're going to do. I salute you, Jeff Fisher. I salute you, St. Louis Rams, as a football team and as a team. The statement you made, and a statement I agree with. I've always been a fan of the Rams. I don't know if they'll cover that number on Sunday as a road favorite at Washington, but what they did last Sunday was as impressive as it gets. All right, free pick winner. George O'Leary as an underdog in bowl games or championship games just seems to get it done. We all remember last year as a double-digit underdog beating Baylor. But now they're here against an East Carolina team that pretty much has no defense. Will try to outscore you. The better defense in this game is Central Florida. And when George O'Leary is getting 8 points or less against a sub-750 opponent, he's covered 8 in a row. Go ahead and make that 9 in a row tonight. And if the Central Florida Knights dodge the turnover bug with their young quarterback, they might just shock the world and win the game outright. Free pick winner on Central Florida. That's it, everybody. Have a fantastic Thursday. We'll see you back here on Friday with another edition of My 2 Cents.